Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever wondered if fixing your electric vehicle is as simple as changing a tire? Because spoiler alert, it's definitely not. Today, we're diving headfirst into 7 shocking EV repair mistakes you absolutely must avoid. Now, before we get started, I want to be upfront. While I've done extensive research for this video, I haven't found any specific, super recent data on the precise frequency of these mistakes. This means we're relying on general knowledge and common sense. The kind of stuff your mechanic grandpappy would tell you if he worked on EVs, that is. So, let's get to it. Mistake number 1, ignoring those warning lights. We've all been there, right? That little check engine light flickers on, and our immediate response is to ignore it. With gas cars, sometimes you can get away with it, but with EVs, those lights are often indicating far more serious issues. A seemingly minor problem could quickly escalate into something massively expensive if not addressed promptly. Think of it like a canary in a coal mine, except instead of coal, it's your battery pack. Mistake number 2, attempting DIY repairs beyond your skill level. YouTube is a treasure trove of information, and I love a good DIY project as much as the next person, but working on an electric vehicle's high-voltage system isn't like changing the oil in your grandpa's Ford. It's incredibly dangerous. We're talking about hundreds, even thousands, of volts, enough to seriously injure or even kill you if you don't know what you're doing. Unless you're a certified AV technician, leave the complex stuff to the professionals. Your life and your wallet will thank you. Next up, mistake number 3, using the wrong tools and equipment. This isn't just about having the right screwdriver. EVs require specialized tools and safety equipment to work on their high-voltage systems. Improper tools can not only damage your car but also put you at serious risk of electrical shock. Think insulated tools, proper grounding techniques, the whole shebang. Cutting corners here is simply not worth it. Now, mistake number 4, neglecting regular maintenance. Just like any vehicle, your EV needs regular maintenance. This includes things like tire rotations, fluid checks, yes, EVs have fluids too, and software updates. Neglecting these seemingly minor things can lead to bigger, more costly problems down the line. It's like skipping your dental checkups. You might get away with it for a while, but eventually you'll pay the price. Mistake number 5 involves improperly handling the high-voltage battery. This is a big one. These batteries store a tremendous amount of energy, and mishandling them can lead to serious consequences. Never attempt to disassemble or repair a battery pack yourself. It's incredibly complex and dangerous. If you have a battery issue, take it to a qualified professional who has the proper equipment and training to handle it safely. Remember, you're not a superhero. Leave this to the professionals. Mistake number 6, overlooking the importance of proper charging habits. While it seems simple, consistently charging your EV improperly can gradually degrade the battery's performance and lifespan. Things like consistently charging to 100% or letting it sit at 0% can put extra stress on the battery. Find that sweet spot and stick to it for optimal battery health. Think of it like constantly running your phone battery down to 0. It'll shorten its life. And finally, mistake number 7, failing to research reputable repair shops. Not all mechanics are created equal, especially when it comes to EVs. Make sure you find a shop with certified technicians who specialize in electric vehicles. Check online reviews, ask for recommendations, and don't hesitate to ask questions about their experience and qualifications. This is a significant investment, so make sure you're putting it in the right hands. So, there you have it, 7 common EV repair mistakes you should absolutely avoid. Remember, prevention is always better than cure, and when it comes to your AV, a little extra caution can save you a whole lot of headaches and money. Now, if you found even one useful nugget or had a chuckle, hitting that like button really helps tell YouTube this content is valuable, helping others find it too. It takes a second but means a lot. And hey, if you want to keep diving deep into topics like this and stay ahead of the curve, make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell. We've got more insights coming your way. Creating these detailed videos takes a ton of research and time. If you get value from this work and want to support the channel directly, there's a Patreon link in the description below. Every little bit helps fuel future content and keeps this channel going strong. No pressure at all, but huge thanks if you do. So, what are your thoughts? What EV repair horror stories have you heard or experienced? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, drive safe and keep those EVs running smoothly.